Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have Bitaxe Gamma. This is my third one. I got this one from GekkoScience, the GekkoScience edition. It's a 601, if you can see right next to the fan connector. It's a 601 version board. It is a Gamma. It is getting, I think, about a 1 terahash. Let the screen refresh. There we are, 1014. We're at 60 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty good. I've got two others. You see over here. Got these from Pleb Source. These were like one of them I got for $110. They had a sale. Let's zoom out. They had a sale on these. This one I think was $150 when I originally bought it. It's not a 3, but one thing you notice about this one, it has a cool blue LED screen. There we go. So, and I didn't realize that when I bought it, but it's no big deal. When I bought this one from GekkoScience, it's $110. I'll leave a link down below. I don't get anything. I'm not affiliate or anything. But it's just the miners, no stand. I 3D printed this stand. I went on Thingiverse or Printables, found this stand, screwed it on. So I had to buy a 5-volt power supply. This is a 6 amps, so 30 watts. And I had to buy the screen. It didn't come with the screen. And when I was looking for these, I found them on Amazon, and they had white LED or blue. So I got a little 5-pack of blue ones. I may put, as you might have, actually when I showed those over there, the one on the right, the screen keeps messing up. It'll go just like get bars on it. So I don't know if the screen is bad. I may put a blue one on it, or I may put blue ones on all of them because I kind of like the blue LEDs. But one thing that happened last night, I was messing with this. There is a tuning tool you can download from GitHub. I'm not going to link it because I had a problem with it. I think it's something I did because I edited the file. I should have just let it run, but I thought I'd be smart and add some more frequency ranges to it. And it crashed this, and it wouldn't start back up. It would say like failed self-test. Let me show you what to do if you brick your Bitaxe. It's not a big deal. It was pretty easy to fix. So let me set the camera up and I will show you, and I will provide links below. Ooh, it's like the world is spinning, huh? Let's turn on another light. And that's going to be a view from above, which kind of sucks, but I can't put it behind me. So you take your Bitaxe and you get a USB-C cable, and you hook up the USB-C cable, and you probably didn't hear it, but it connected. And then there is a WebFlasher, and let me capture the screen so I can give you both views. I'm going to give you this view as well, maybe. Can you see that? Probably can't see what's on the screen. But if you ever brick a Bitaxe, I'll put a link below for the WebFlasher. Basically what you have to do is you have to go in here and hit connect, and if you hit connect, just do that, it says failed. So what I found out you have to do, you have to hold the boot button for 3 seconds, and then connect. Or was it the reset button? So you have to hold the reset button. I mean, I had this connecting earlier. Why is it not connecting? I did this earlier, just had no problem doing this. There. So hold the boot, so disconnect it, hold the boot button for 3 seconds, then plug the USB cable in. You'll get connected successfully. And then you can pick your model, which I have a Gamma, and is a version 601. And I wanted 2.7.0 firmware, and I had to do this twice. The first time I clicked on keep configuration because I didn't want to have to put the pool information back in, but I realized that was wrong because it had the wrong information in it. So I had to do it a second time and clear this, and then it worked, and I had to set it back up from scratch. But now it has version 2.7.0 firmware, which the latest is 2.7.1. So I need to update it, or did I already do that? I don't know. I was busy. I did this at lunch today. I was working from home and I was eating my lunch. I was messing with this because I bricked it last night. Nano 3. So let's see, settings. Okay, it's on 2.7.0. I need to update it to 2.7.1. But it is working. Let's see what it says. 1.27. What does it say on the screen? On the device screen, it's saying 1.4, 1.439. Yeah. So, and it's 59.5 degrees Celsius. So this is working properly again. So, if you brick your Bitaxe, this is the steps you take to reflash the firmware. I've also fixed an NMAxe, which I believe is a Supra. If I look at this, I think if I look at the list, I forgot what an NMAxe is. I think it's a Supra. It may be an Ultra. It's 500 gigahash, and it had an issue where it wouldn't start. Let's say the fan error, but the fan would run until it started doing the self-test. So I upgraded the firmware and it started working again. So thanks for tuning in. This is a quick fix. Appreciate you watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.